Today is October 13th, 2012. Hey, look what we got. There's like some people watching the Huskies game. Everybody, there's a lot of family here right now. Got a lot of family. Hang on, because your hair's a different color. Okay, got that. It's like, it is seasons.
Roll the drink out.
What do we got back there? Joe, Bessie. What's going on, Pat? Got them dogs.
Dogs. Come on, man, they can do it. They can do it.
Where's Grandpa? Grandpa's way over there. What's Grandpa doing? So many people. Venielson. I have no idea. Wait, here, throw me the ball. Throw me that ball. I'm Black Ops.
Do you know that song? Do you not record me right now? Take your passion and make it happen.
This is on the internet right now.
No, it is not.
It's on the internet. It's done. I can't not put.
What a Feeling by Irene Cara.
It's in my mouth.
It's on Flashdance.
Yeah, Irene Cara.
Yeah.
How old is that?
I like it.
She had another hit though, wasn't it? Irene Cara.
I don't know. I just like Flashdance, so I know the song.
Is that from the movie or the TV series?
Fail. That is also on the internet right now. I have no idea if he's talking to himself or he's talking to like a voice recorder or a phone or Bluetooth or what. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. Has he been doing that for a while?
I don't know. I just realized. I thought he was talking to you, like you were just ignoring. He's showing you the cane.
She likes it. She likes it when I do this. She likes it.
Get cane.
You're gonna hit
This is the most violent I've ever seen him.
Are you recording that?
Yeah. Sorry. You mad, bro? What? Steph, what? You want me to record how drunk you are right now?
It's my first time drinking a beer legally with the Leon family, with the rest of my family.
Oh, good.
If you're gonna drink, you have to use your pinky up. That's, I mean, how? Don't use your pinky, you get penalized.
Hey,
By what?
where's my beer? Give me my beer.
Not a penalty.
Oh, come on. That's cool, man. Come on, like Dr. Kicks some ass.
No, it wasn't.
That's cool, man.
Joe, you remember when you used to have pink shorts, like bright pink?
Oh, yeah. I remember those. Still has them. Still has them.
They're sheer.
Yeah, no, thank you.
We go on our family reunions and you'd wear them.
You'd wear them, and you'd wear the same
Oh,
sandals
man.
all
Look at
the
the
time.
different colors coming off the camera right now because we're looking at Steph's hair. Ah, jeez. There, give me a chip.
I can't
Chip,
believe it was rough.
chip me.
Go back.
Yeah.
Adjust and come back out. See, that's why it's cold there.
That wasn't a word. Yep, Huskies, good times, 24/7. Steve, what's going on? It's good to see you.
Oh, is that Steve? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought somebody escaped from the zoo.
My nephew!
Huh? So wrap him up in a tortilla and let's eat him.
I was like, all I could hear is that siren in the background that entire time.
I saw that movie, man. It's freaky.
Hey,
It's pretty good.
Hey, Marty, what's the next thing, man?
Joe, I remember the next day.
want to sing this in Tony.
Make some
Mommy lies.
Well, that's right. Yeah, Grandma Lola died.
Hey, Marty, sit next to Andy.
And neither one of us were there.
That's what I said.
Also, I was over there on some military training and she died. And neither one of us were there.
I have no reason to be filming right now. I'm just filming the noise and love of our family.
I'm sitting next to you, and
I went to Plutarch's way, you know. So when Lola died, I was on military orders. I couldn't get out.
little lady, and there was a scene in there where,
Hold on, I'll take a Mac flight. Come over and meet East Coast and visit again sometime. I can get on a space age flight. Come over and apologize to the boys. You filming?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to say something for, what was his name? Eddie? I'm sorry I gave you that Super Marine Corps wedgie. And if there's any residual
Effects?
if there's any residual traumatic effects that need to be dealt with, I'll take care of the tab, send you through some psychotherapy, maybe go to a movie about 7 psychopaths, and I'll buy you a new pair of shorts too.
Huskies touchdown! Where are we at? Hey, oh.
Husky football!
Football!
There it is.
Oh, hey, there's a penalty on the play.
Hey! Ah!
There it is. There
What else we got? Who else wants some? There we go.
There it is.
There.
Are you videoing
Oh yeah.
that? Do you have my email address?
Huh?
They should. You send that to me via email.
Sure. Hey, Andy. You look good when you struck out, man. When I struck out, man, it looks nasty, man.
Cody went in.
Oh, is Cody doing stuff right now? Your boy Cody?
He did. Then he messed it up.
Yeah, offside. Thank you. We got some sandwich. Lunch it up. Ooh, look how many. You got
turkey, brother, turkey.
500 sandwiches. Oh man.
Oh, Dad, let me put a baby.
Cody!
How dare you? Oh, look at Cody.
So handsome.
Oh, hey, Cody Bruns made a project. Oh, Cody. I'm just gonna keep it running for when Cody returns this touchdown.
Right, you grab a sandwich? You didn't go across your head.
So, Christy, you were saying
I didn't know.
you don't watch any of my videos.
I've seen a few.
I just know him. He would play them all the time, but I think.
Let me get you eat.
And he's local, so you know.
Fine.
Oh, man.
No! Come on, Cody.
You got hit.
Cody, how can you do that?
You got hit, man. Yes, she
Not even in there right now.
Yes, she recovered. Well, you coughed it up. Version, you look at
You just blew it now.
What do you want? You want to see the x-rays?
Hey, he says you want to see the x-rays.
I ain't getting on no damn trampoline with the woman you want to set me up with.
Oh, yeah. I want to see the x-ray. Yeah, that's a confirmation.
Call her back and I'm gonna ask her about some broken legs.
That's a confirmation.
I broke my leg. I was on a date
Jeez.
Come on, there's no need for the F word.
Call her, talk. Yep, that broke my leg.
He wants to make sure it's not a sprain. What is She got a hip implant too?
Yeah.
Broke her leg and got a hip implant.
The word I got is they're having a butt kicking contest and her leg broke. Other than that, she's a great date.
She kicked him in his snap. So Rudy tripped and fell over and broke her leg. Or was it
It was an accident.
Yeah.
He told us himself.
The trampoline sounds more believable.
But the good news is that she paid her own doctor bill.
She has some serious health insurance.
Yeah, right.
That's some good coverage back there.
Glad I got that on video.
Well, Rudy's a gentleman. He did give her a ride to the hospital.
Wow. And that's how the relationship ended?
Guess so.
Well, anyway.
Well,
All right, now.
actually,
Okay,
I think she.
Left her at the emergency. You just dumped her off at the emergency ward.
Well, they actually went to dinner.
See what runs in the family, so you be careful. Looks like you.
Ah, I just broke my leg!
You got your days are numbered.
Where are you going? They can open universe.
Oh, man. That's it. That's it.
They cut her off.
And you're carrying your.
Oh, this, having fun now? Just all this appropriate talk?
You don't even know.
All she does is laugh.
Even my dad knows. I was like, listen.
Ah!
There it is.
Sorry.
There it is.
All right, good change, Aaron. Good change.
Okay.
One on.
This is like that was louder than I can chew.
We did. It's pretty good. Coming into the series, he was 7 for 8.
Yeah, I know.
This is only
It's okay though.
one.
Do it some first game.
I'm sorry that my battery's low and that makes you like mad or sad or disappoint. Are you disappointed?
My OCD. I want this thing.
It's your OCD. Look at it.
Austin Jackson at the plate. Top of the
Baseball. Karen, having fun?
Yes.
Fun listening to the non-stop just
Chatter.
12 conversations going on at once. In the meantime, baseball. And then I gotta film this at bat because
Nobody else had ever done in postseason history.
boy Raul, former Mariner Ibanez at the bat. 2-run home run in the bottom of the 9th, tied the game at 4.
I forgot my cleats. So I just played in socks.
Scoring position.
Great story about Rudy, where he had the wrong feet.
Ooh, that felt good.
At least for now.
That was hilarious.
My feet are hurting. I had on the wrong feet. That happened with my dad. When my dad was first had his stroke.
In this election
My
year,
dad was sitting up my feet hurt all the time.
whatever he chose to
They don't hurt. They don't hurt. One day I was taking my dad's shoes off, and my mom had put the shoes the wrong feet.
She put them on him?
Yeah.
She might not her.
And then, no, she wasn't. She just laughed. She just laughed.
Oh,
3?
that was his choice.
No, you had one like 15 seconds ago.
No, I sneezed twice.
What about the first one?
That second one, I was like trying to sneeze. I was trying to force a sneeze. I just went.
No, the very first one.
That was 1. That was 2.
Yeah, so you had 3.
No,
Within the span of 20 seconds.
There's a strike from Smiley.
Yes.
no, I only sneezed twice.
You know what I'm talking about? There you go.
I sneezed twice.
Keeps going. There ain't enough.
No, one of those noises wasn't a sneeze.
Which one? The very, very first
The middle
one?
one.
The middle one.
Yeah, it was like I felt like sneeze coming on, then it died, and then it just came back.
Did you get that all on camera?
Yeah. I'm just waiting to see Raul Ibanez. I don't see what he does. We'll see. That doesn't happen very
You know what? I saw that YouTube video of when you're watching a no-hitter.
Which one? Oh, Felix?
Yeah. And she's telling you to be quiet, and you're making a lot of noise right afterwards.
Well, her dad was asleep.
Now it's sleeping, you screamed anyway. Okay, I'll be quiet, I'll be quiet.
I was quiet for like what I could have done. I was about ready to just like jump.
Respectful in a man's house.
I was.
He had worked the graveyard shift.
What does he do?
He's a doctor at Toppenish Hospital.
In the air. Shallow right center.
Who's got it?
Where was that last inning?